Hi there, Lens Walters here, and in this video we are going to talk about Wi-Fi security cameras. So I will definitely be reviewing two different Wi-Fi cameras from different brands. So guys, I've been using this for some time now and I do love the quality of this. It's actually 1080p. We do have a lot of different features and functions here. You can actually use cloud, or if you want you can use your micro SD card for storage. And also at the back of it, at the stand area, we have a magnet that can mount this on metal surfaces. It's quite adjustable. So guys, I'm quite in love with that one, and I also have this one by eufy. This one also have similar features and functions like the other one that I just showed you. These cameras are actually ideal for indoors. They also have the ones that are more ideal for the outside. I realized that this one actually gave me better motion detection at night. Like, it's very good in comparison to the eufy. So guys, I'm actually telling you, this one works very well, especially at daytime, but I realized that at nights I don't normally get motion detection. Like, I am not too certain as to why, but guys, let's get busy and review these Wi-Fi cameras. We have a speaker at the back of it, also a QR code that can be helpful in setting this up. And as I state, I already set this one up, right? Just to show you guys the power cord, it's actually 5 volts and it's very long. Like, it's very long. It's about 8 feet or so, which is quite ideal for whatever application you want to do with this. So I actually have one of this set up already. I have been using it now for a few months and I can show you on my phone. eufy security, that's it right here. If you look at event, it will show you all of the motion detection. It will give you the time. It will tell you if it's an animal, if it's a dog. Return back to your device. You can look and you can watch this device live as well. You can go on the playback mode and you can watch the different motion detection there. So I just want to say that it is pretty good when it comes to motion detection in the daytime. So for some of the other features, right, we have night vision and all of that. We also have the motion detection. We can put pet, we can put animal, there's a sensitivity as well. It all depends on your environment. However, we also have the audio settings here and we can put on the speaker. I actually took this off for a good reason, right? So I just put on the speaker. We can actually watch this live, and as I'm saying, we can put on the alarm. If you're hearing a feedback, it is because the camera is nearby and it's actually recording everything. So let's try. So guys, definitely that was just the alarm. Like, there's an alarm on the cameras as well. And if you want to, you can speak. You can hold and speak. Hello? Hello? I don't know if you can hear the echo in the back room, but it's quite awesome. Guys, these are just some basic features and functions. You have home, you have away, you have this alarm, you have different settings there. You can schedule your time when you will be away and when you will be at home. This thing will send you a notification once somebody walk in the room. So that's very good about this Wi-Fi camera. So guys, we are going to open the box. Like, opening this box from the back door. This is the camera box, which is here. We also have some screws and we have this mounting pad. We also have some booklets here. This is the camera. It's indeed beautiful, but it's also big. Like, in comparison, take a look. It's quite big. we are going to plug this up. So I have a 5 volts power card here. What I need to do here is to just add a device. They do have a lot of different devices, so we need to look for the indoor cam. And as you can see, this is the indoor cam. We need to hit next, and there's a code for this. There's a code for the camera. It's either at the back, so we can actually use the QR code to register this camera, right? So this is what we're going to do. So just like that, so we need to press this button here until we hear a beep, right? That's the beep, the camera. Now we need to connect this via Bluetooth, so you need to put on your Bluetooth, and we are going to connect via Bluetooth. Now we need to put in our Wi-Fi password. I entered the Wi-Fi password and we are connecting to the Wi-Fi connection. Then we hit next. Now this is where you want the camera to go. So I am gonna choose my bedroom. Then you hit next. Then it says no micro SD card in it. Haven't put any as yet. So we are going to just skip this step. And it's actually asking us where did we mount the camera. We are going to put on a wall. Then we're gonna hit next, 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 next. And as you can see, the device is added and it's right here. So definitely we'll be looking at us. What do you know? That's me right there. And as you can see, I'm holding up my phone. And that's how you set up this camera. That's how you do it with the eufy app. So guys, I hope that this video was definitely helpful, and if it was, do like, share and subscribe. If you guys need a video on how to set this up, I actually did a video in the past, so what I'll do, I'll include that video starting now. Do like, share and subscribe.